Well, and I learned another lesson. Even though you got this skillet, this cast iron skillet with some oil, with some popcorn in it, make sure that that fire is on that skillet just right, so it's got that heat up, like as if it was on a stove, and that popcorn pop. Just just like cooking inside the house on the stove, outside of you cooking it on the grill. You know what I mean? Or our microwave went out, so I don't feel like buying one right now. So hey man, just take it back to the old school, save on some electricity. You know what I mean? And at the same time, just have a little fun outside, relaxing. It's still popping. Normally I would get up and shake, kind of shake the skillet, but I'm just gonna go ahead and let it try to keep popping. I'm gonna give it just a little bit longer, but I don't want it to burn. Here, I'm gonna check it right quick. Let's see what it looks like, y'all. Aha! Die! Some of the popcorn popped out. Well, it looks like it's almost done. Almost all the kernels is popped. Listen to it.